Hi, this is Brian Marshall with the Site Company. This is video 1 in our quick series showing how to use WordPress within the context of a authoring account. These are just simple accounts that you can give to people to allow them to author on your website, allow them to contribute content and so forth. Okay, so the first thing they probably need to know is how to log in. A lot of the WordPress themes, and you can choose this depending on how you have it set up, will have a link. I tend to favor not having the link visible. That just gives a lot of spam bots and other things another indication that they're looking at a WordPress site. So I tend to like to keep that stuff hidden. But almost all WordPress sites will open up if you go to the main directory and you type in your URL, you type in wp-admin, and that'll bring up the admin panel. From that point, you're simply going to type in the username and password you're provided for the authoring account, and then voila, you're logged into your account. Now this particular video is going to we'll have several others which will explain how to craft articles and how to do other features. This one is just bare bones. How do you get a post created? How do you put something up on the screen for people to see? Okay, and the way you do that is you go over here to post, you open this up, and you click on Add New. Once that's open, you're going to type in a title. We'll just type in "this is a title." Not very creative, but you get the point. And then you're going to type in some content. This is some content. Okay, and that's step 2. And step 3 is that you're going to select a category. Okay, in this case, we'll just call it blog posts. Usually you'd have several categories set up here. And then you save it as a draft. Whenever you create an article, you always first want to save it as a draft. The reason being, you want to check it first of all. You might want to have other things you put in it, and you might want to proofread it. I know it sounds crazy, but you might want to read it before it actually goes live. And this allows you to do that. It allows you to look at it, keep it behind the scenes while you're working on it, and then when you're done, you would click this blue Publish button. Okay? And that's basically it. That's all you have to do. One quick tip that I like to use myself when I'm working with articles, if you go to this Posts button, it'll actually show you all the posts you have in your user account. What I like to do is I like to actually create article titles, put notes in as part of the draft. And what I do is I just keep notes, keep snippets of text and other things that I might use in the draft. And it's a nice way to stay organized if you're only dealing with like a lot of textual content, or you got some pictures you want to incorporate. You can keep it all organized that way. So that's just a quick tip. But basically that's how you'd go about creating a post. We'll cover some of the other features and some of the other things you can do, like uploading photos and the other videos.